More recently, and kind of in addition and promoting this concept, was the discovery of the glymphatic system, which is essentially a perivascular system, which is a waste clearance system that's primarily only active when animals are sleeping. So it's identified in non-humans in mouse models. And it was found to be active primarily at nighttime. And so one thought was that, now we've discovered the system that perhaps is clearing these toxins that are accumulating over the course of the day. And it's been implicated now in things like the clearance of beta amyloid, which of course is important in things like Alzheimer's disease. Half of those with migraine report occasional insomnia symptoms. So it's higher than the general population report. So compared to people without migraine, those with migraine report more difficulty initiating and staying asleep, greater poor quality of sleep, so higher rates of poor quality sleep, and in some studies also higher rates of snoring, and on some studies that have looked for risk for sleep apnea, they've also scored higher as well. Those have been clinical studies. So when we looked at the sleep problems, specifically inadequate sleep and difficulty falling asleep, which had the biggest signals here in those with migraine, and we adjusted for lifetime anxiety or depression or current anxiety, depression, that signal persisted, which to us meant that even when you control for mood disorders, that relationship remains. So there was something about migraine and sleep that connects the two. And so that remained interesting to me at that time.